What's up guys, today we're going to be editing this mask door transition. So here's my raw video clip for this. So the first thing we need to do is cut the video clip just before the door opens up to reveal what's behind it. Press B and split the video clip. Now we can select our second half of the video and go over here to the magic wand tool and add the magnetic mask effect. Now let's move forward a little bit and select the part behind the door here, and then hold down Option to select the parts of the door because we want to keep these. So once the part behind the door is highlighted in red, then we can go up here, and for this one I'm going to just use this button here to analyze it frame by frame. I'm just going to do this to make sure that the mask stays in the right place. When the mask comes out of place, then we can just click to select the parts that we want to keep, and then hold down Option to select the parts that we don't want to keep. We can also use the brush tool up here. We select the brush tool, then we can just paint on the parts that we don't want to keep. Once we have all of the masks done, then we can click Done up here. Now we can go up here and click Invert Mask. It doesn't really matter if you select what's behind the door or the door, whatever works for the type of video clip you have. So if we drag the video clip that we want to transition to underneath this video clip here. So now if I play that back, we've really easily created this mask transition. If you have the effects expansion pack from my website, then you can use the Matte Magic effect, drag that onto the door video clip, and then we can clean up the white edges on the door frame using this shrink effect here. For some reason, the feather on the magnetic mask doesn't get rid of these white edges. It kind of just fades the video clip. I also added a zoom out effect on the second video clip, just because this shot is kind of pointing down and this shot is kind of pointing horizontal. So to do that, I use this smooth camera zooms plugin and then just use the on-screen control and moved it down to the bottom of the video clip to change the angle of that video clip and just to add a nice smooth zoom out from that clip. To create the transition from the computer screen, what I did was filmed this video clip on my computer screen and just pulled out from the screen like that. And then we can just line this up with a straight cut from the original video clip to the video clip on the computer screen. And that's a really easy and simple, cool transition that you can do for a video. To create the glow effect from behind the door, what I did was created a copy of the door video just to save for later. And then on this video clip at the bottom, I went to the color board and just made this bright white, selected my door video clip and went to the blend mode over here and set that to silhouette alpha. So this is going to create this kind of white solid for us. What we can do is select both of these, right click and go to new compound clip. And then if I re-enable my door transition here by pressing V and drag this kind of solid layer above that video clip, and then we can add a light ray effect or a zoom blur, and you'll see how that gives like a glow through the door here. And then we can also drag in our original video clip. We can also trim this and then at the end add a cross dissolve transition by pressing Command T and change the blend mode to add. And then we can also use that as a glow effect to transition into the next video clip if you wanted to create like a dreamy sort of look. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. In the next video, I'm going through even more transitions and effects in Final Cut Pro 11. So subscribe if you want to check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next one.